Hi guys, I'm in this spot. I've been in this spot once when I was opening the blind box from Hobby Lobby. Now we're opening the blind box from Five Below, so let's see what we get. So this is what I got in the Hobby Lobby one. So we're gonna add something to our blind box collection. This was a blind bag, this is a blind box. Let's open it. Well, let's see which ones they have. Okay, I want My Melody, Cinnamoroll or Pachaco, Chromie too. Look at these rare figures. Those are so cool. I want that one, the My Melody. So, yeah, let's open it. All right. Hopefully we get what I want. But I really don't like, I don't know what it is, but I really just don't want this blue guy. I forgot his name, Tuksam. Yeah, I don't want him. And I love, Rio, so this blind box perfect. Okay. All right, I'm excited. Oh, you guys are gonna see it first. Wait, is it in a bag? I need to make sure it's in a bag. Is it in a bag? Okay, it's in a bag. I can't see it. Wait, this is a checklist. Yep, like I said, I really don't want that blue guy, but I do want Pum Pum Pum. My Melody, Cinnamoroll, Chromie, or Pachaco. Please not the blue guy, bro. Alright. Wait, okay. Okay, I'm not looking. I got Pum Pum Pum, he's so cute. Oh my god, Hello Kitty. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. I'm so glad I didn't get Tuxedo Sam. I'm sorry, I just don't like the way it's designed and everything. But I'm so happy I got Pum Pum Pum. My top one was Pachaco, but still, or Chromie, because Chromie's my favorite. But we didn't get the rare figures, sadly. But I'm still happy with this. It's so cute. Now this is added to my blind box collection, so stay tuned for some more blind box unboxing.